everyone, and welcome to our first ever video of Our Happy Kitchen. We are coming at you from BGC Manila, and this is...
I'm Baby Cell, so I'm here on the Philippines.
And I'm Lauren, and I'm from the US. And we want to bring you great recipes from different websites. And so for today, for our first ever recipe, we're getting it from Munchkin Time, and we'll have the recipe down in the comments below. We are on quarantine right now, hence why we started this YouTube channel, because of lack of things to do. So we get a delivery of vegetables every week, and this week we forgot really how much a kilogram of mushrooms would be, and we wound up getting this much shiitake mushrooms.
And we have leeks, so this is a lot of leeks now.
Yeah, it's a lot. So we looked up what we could do with all these vegetables, and we're making a mushroom leek soup. It's super healthy, gluten-free. Like I said, we found it on munchkintime.com, so definitely check it out. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do first is just press this little button that says saute and wait for the words hot on the Instant Pot. Couldn't be easier. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the butter and the mushrooms.
Okay.
The butter is about 5 tablespoons. And for the mushrooms, we did a little bit more than 8 ounces. We got this recipe off munchkintime.com, and we'll put the recipe in the comments. But you're just gonna wanna swirl it around and saute it for a little bit. Yeah, for about 3 minutes. And here's our special guest, Vance, who just flew in from his bedroom. Vance, you wanna tell everybody what you're eating today? Yeah? Okay, Vance is eating this delicious spinach, squash, cucumber medley. Yummy. Oh no. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes, so now we're gonna add the leeks. We have 3 leeks that we cut up and sliced up. We're also adding the carrots and the celery. The carrots, we had about 2 and 1 stick of celery. And we're just gonna keep sauteing it and stirring it around. How's Vance doing? Vance, are you liking your yummies? Yeah? Are you liking it? Smile, Vance. Okay. All right. So then you're going to keep sauteing it for about 7 minutes. Okay, welcome to Cocktail Corner. Today we're doing a bubbly cocktail since it's our first ever video. We have a cava from Spain here, and then I'm going to pair that with some mango puree, and we'll call it a mimosa. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. Time to pop the champagne. So, as most people know, mangoes are very abundant in the Philippines. So that's why I went with this one, since we're based in the Manila area, in Metro Manila. And then we use this old school food processor and just blended it up nice and liquefied. Our cocktail. Put a little bit of puree. Depends on how sweet you want it. Mango's pretty sweet. And then you fill it up with the bubbly. And me personally, I like a lot of champagne, so I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on this. Ooh. There you have it, a mimosa. Okay, after 7 minutes of sauteing those vegetables, we now add the potato, which is about 5 medium potatoes that are peeled and cubed. Our cubes are a little larger, but that's what we wanted. We wanted a nice big potato cube. Now we're gonna add the chicken broth. And then the bay leaf, that's about 6 cups of broth. We're adding 2 bay leaves. We increased that just a little bit. And we have to add now the thyme, which is a half a teaspoon, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So we just estimated that much for now, and then we can always add after everything is cooked. So that's all the ingredients in the Instant Pot. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on there. And we're gonna cook everything for 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the manual button, which is right down here, and then put the time on for 10 minutes. It'll automatically go to the high pressure, so you don't need to really play with the pressure at all. And that's it. One quick thing to note is you're definitely gonna wanna make sure this is properly closed, this lid, and you're gonna wanna make sure this is not on vent. You wanna have it all the way to the left. So then you just wait a little bit and enjoy your cocktail. Okay, so after it's done cooking, the Instant Pot will actually beep, and then this will appear on the screen, and it'll automatically go to that cancel keep warm button over there. So what you're going to want to do now, as the recipe states, is do the quick release. So we're going to just take the back of a wooden spoon and open it up like this. Be careful not to get the steam on you, it could burn you. So yeah, you just wait a few minutes for that steam to end. So we recommend serving this soup with some sourdough bread. Some crusty bread's perfect for this, for dunking. And so we're gonna try it now.
It's so good.
Very mushroomy and delicious. So we recommend serving this with Parmesan cheese. It definitely needs a little bit more of that salt to taste. And I would probably rate this out of 5. I would probably give it 4 stars. It's super healthy, vegetarian, delicious, uses all fresh ingredients. And what do you think, Baby Sal?
Maybe that's it.
We thank you for watching our video, and
but don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys.
bye from our happy kitchen. Mwah.